Hello guys, good evening. Today I come to see some beautiful creature birds. So today I have seen at the morning spotted owl and their grey heron is there and today I am going to capture some photo with the camera Canon 200D Mark II. So let's click and see which bird is coming. So guys, there are some lotuses there and there are some grey herons, and here jacana is there, red jacana, and common kingfisher is also there. So I'm today going to click a photo of that and going to show you. So you see how beautiful.
Yes.
So this big pond is situated near Purvasthali, and today in this pond only we are going to click a photo of some Indian popular birds, or you can say wildlife birds. So let's see come or not. If come, then I surely click a photo of that, and not come, then what can we do? Oh. Yes, so let's see coming or not.